Hello everyone, I'm going to talk to you about the 4-day food tracker formative assessment and specifically how to create an Adobe Spark video. So in the weight management notes, scroll all the way down to food day tracker assignment. Obviously you've completed the 4-day food tracking, so you'll need to click on the formative assessment 4-day food tracker creation. Click on that link, you'll be sent to a hyperdoc. Down below are the how-to videos. I've already created one for ThingLink, how-to, and I'm going to show you how to do the Adobe Spark. Again, use your food tracker to create a unique presentation about the food you ate over the last 4 days. Choose one of the 4 options below. Your creation must include all food eaten, amount of calories, fat, protein, and carbs content in grams. So, click here to create an Adobe Spark video if you choose this one. And once you log in, you'll be brought to this screen here. You'll simply go to Create a Project and choose any one that you would like. My suggestion to you is to click Video because it's going to take you throughout all the days and all the food that you are going to be presenting. So click here and click on Video. And then you'll be prompted to start your story somewhere. You can type something here or simply click skip. For me, I'll just write 4-day food tracker and then click next. What I would like to do is just start from scratch here. So click that bottom button. And then you'll be brought to this kind of first screen. You could watch the video if you'd like. If not, you could just click OK, I'm ready. And then you're brought to this basic template here. Now, the first slide is probably going to be your title screen. So you could click on full screen up here. You can add videos, photos, captions, anything that you want to show in that first screen. So usually that first screen will just include some text, so you could click on that plus sign, click text, 4-day food tracker, Mr. Klein, whatever your name. And then you could also include an image in the background, click video or photo, that's totally up to you. The second slide is kind of where you get into more of the information. So besides credits, okay, you can change that around or go back to that first slide and then click the plus sign, and that'll bring you to a basic template. So again, this is my suggestion. You could click on any of these sort of templates here that kind of best describes how you want to present your information. I think split screen is a great idea. Here you could have a photo image on the left and then write out the details on your right. So for instance, you could type in text and you could go Monday. You could just simply keep it at Monday or just maybe be a little bit more specific and do Monday breakfast. Okay, you can also add an image if you would like. You could switch sides, of course. And if you want to add an image, you can click here on this plus sign. You go to photo and you can upload or obviously follow any of these prompts here. I have a photo ready to go on my desktop. So I ate yogurt for breakfast and I could upload that there. Now I could also add additional text if I want, and I could do that here. So I could type in yogurt and then the details, so maybe 200 calories, 8 grams of fat, 7 grams of protein, etc. Okay, and then click away. If I wanted to rearrange that even more, I could just click delete, even delete this. And maybe I added maybe I wanted to add the image here. So upload that again, click on my yogurt. So here's my yogurt there. I can edit it by clicking that little button up top and maybe making the image smaller. Okay, and then type in my text here. So again, Monday breakfast, yogurt. And then all the information there. I can make the size smaller and so on. Okay, once I'm done with my one slide, I could then click the plus sign and then continue on with the rest of my meals throughout the week. Again, you could change the screen and however you want. You could play with the theme, anything that you wish. Once you're finished, you can hit play and watch the entire thing kind of go out. Now, obviously that was a quick version. Since that last image was really quick, I could go back here and then type in how long I want this image to be shown. Okay, so I put 10 seconds. If I wanted to watch it in the way that it would be presented, I could click on preview and it'll go through the entire slide deck like that. Click escape and go back. Okay, obviously this is a short version. You could also add music if you want, but that's totally up to you. Finally, when you're finished, click share. You can invite. You could either invite me or you could download it. Or the best way to do this is to simply just copy and paste the link. Or actually the best way to do it is just simply click share, publish, and you can create it however you want and then hit create link. This will take a couple seconds to download. And once the link is created, you have the link up here, you could hit copy. Go back to the HyperDoc, scroll down to submit your project, click on the Google Forms, fill out your name, the type of project, and then click the link, copy and paste down below, and then submit. Any questions? Let me know.